Let's learn some bee idioms with meaning and examples. Firstly, a busy bee. This is an active and busy person. For example, I'm always a busy bee in the morning. They make such a mess. Have a bee in one's bonnet. This means to be obsessed with or overly concerned about something. He has a bee in his bonnet about nursery. He cries every morning when we try to leave. Make a beeline for someone. This means to go directly towards someone or something. 6 years ago, I made a beeline for a cute girl in a club. Today, I'm asking her to marry me. The bee's knees. This means the best. I'm the bee's knees at cooking. I'm making my girlfriend a nice treat for tea. And finally, the birds and the bees. This means sex education. I'm about to teach 25 kids about the birds and the bees. Wish me luck. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.